Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a meeting on Zoho CRM account. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch Zoho CRM app on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now just at the bottom right corner of your screen, simply tap on the option of More. Now once you are here again, select the option of Meetings. Now again, just at the top right corner of your screen, just simply tap on the plus icon. Now you will be led to this page where you have to create a meeting by filling in all these details. Now just add the title of your meeting. Now you can also add the location of your meeting so that your contacts can know where the meeting is being held. Here we go. Now, just at the bottom, you can see the option of all day, and you can see that the toggle is turned off. If I turn this toggle on, you can see that the from and to date have also been changed. Now again, if I turn this toggle off, you can manually select the date and time of the meeting from when it is started till when will it end. You can also change the time. Now let me select a time and then just tap on done on top. Now you can also see the name of the host. Now if you tap on your name, you can also search for other owners as well. Now let's go back. And if you tap on the option of show all fields at the bottom, you can see other various fields that you can fill in. You can also add participants, contact, related to, repeat, and then add other additional meeting information for the people who you are going to invite to your meeting. Now you can also invite additional participants by their email or just sending the link to your mail. So just go back and fill in the details that are necessary for the participants to know enough details about the meeting, and after that just tap on save at the top right corner. Now over here you can see the name of the meeting that you had just created. Now if you tap on your meeting's name, you will see the details regarding your meeting. You can edit certain changes if you wish to. Now over here, you can see all these details that you had just filled or other details that you can even add. So follow these easy steps and you'll be able to create a meeting on your Zoho CRM account. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.